Get a feel for the 2018 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this spacious and versatile Lincoln MKX, the family-oriented luxury vehicle that offers a quiet, comfortable ride, impressive safety features, and a host of desirable standard amenities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, remote engine start, active suspension, keyless start, power passenger seat, satellite radio, power driver seat. Don't miss the chance to get behind the wheel of this well-equipped MKX. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.